Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to column hide in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then I show the Excel document from the data. Now and we can see is from the column hide in shortcut key. Then show the then your needs column hide my then I choose from the column. Now keyboard press from now alert ace or ace, then provide the option. Now your needs hide now for okay, that's it. Then another process. Now for click, now keyboard press from the ace or ace. Now that's it. Then I show the column height in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.